Tell me what brand, there's a chance I come with the wrong thing. And then you gotta wait.
You know, I'm upset about that. That's a hustle.
Oh yeah. Cause I'm in Google.
I saw MONROE.
MONROE Appliance Repair, that's me.
Yeah.
Yep. Sure is.
I saw that. But I was looking and saying, you work with MONROE. And I'm saying, I saw that.
So yeah, that's me. Absolutely. You was that close.
I picked the wrong one.
Hey, but we learn.
My life.
You live and you learn, though. You live and you learn.
Well, at least I picked the right one.
See, they called me. So I'm doing my own thing. They called me.
They went down and grabbed you.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Now, you're going to take a check, aren't you?
Yeah, I'll take a check.
Okay, good.
I'll let you know when I'm ready.
Okay, I appreciate it.
9, 2, 4, 5, 15.
Call back and said, man, didn't show up.
I have to watch who I'm talking to.
What?
When you say that,
One lie. One lie.
You know what I'm talking about? You still got to watch who you're talking to.
I know what you're
because
saying.
they'll stab you in the
I know what you're saying. No, I wouldn't do that. I just remember.
Not saying you, but I watched my
mouth.
mouth.
You fixed everything right up. You gave me your contact number.
Yep. And you know what makes it so bad, to be honest with you? It's always one of us.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't let that stop me from moving forward, though.
One guy claimed I stole, he gave me cash, and he claimed I stole, he put the cash out next to his mama and paid me, but then they put the money there, mama put it in the purse, and I left. He claimed I stole his money, he had me on videotape, and he was going to call and have me buy it or whatever, he called me all kind of that. And said, man, I said, I don't steal, I don't need your money. And so he talking to me, I'm on my way on 285, did a U-turn, and by the time I came back, mama confessed. And I was like, just like us, man. I can't win for losing. He called me everything under the sun.
And he didn't clean it up.
Didn't clean it up. It was his own mama.
Well, it's a good thing you in your 60s, because if you'd have been in your 30s and 40s, you would have probably got some cabbage. You would have bust some cabbage.
Yeah.
That's what I tell people all the time. It's a good thing he didn't mess with me when I was in my 30s and 40s.
You messed with the wrong one.
Yeah.
And I came down here from New York because the judge said so. So you know. So need I say more?
The judge didn't send you to the army?
He gave me that option too. But I saw my uncle coming back addicts, so that messed me up.
Oh yeah.
They came back.
Your uncle's coming out of Vietnam.
Yeah, they coming back.
I spent a year and 1 day there.
And that turned me off. So he said, you're going to either go to the camp or military or school. I said, I'm going to school. That's how I got here.
Yeah, at least you had an uncle that would stand by you. But
yeah, man.
I left high school and went in the army. Spent a year in Germany, a year and 3 months in Germany, and wound up going to Vietnam anyway.
Do you got an email address?
Of course I do.
What I need you to do while I'm repairing is write it on the back, because I'm gonna log in my contact.
All right,
for the future. All right, let me get this going.
Come on, let me get out your way. Oh, you're already in there.
Good to go. I try to show up on time and I get it done. That's what people remember, service.
That's true.
Now I do washers, dryers, stoves, cooktops, microwaves, refrigerators, dishwashers.
Yeah, I was telling my wife I've done that before when I was younger. Replaced the heating element and the belt on the drum.
Just sit it.
Just put it there. All right, there's your kid there too. But I can't do that anymore.
I hear you.
Are you gonna pull it out?
No, that's all I need.
That's all you need.
I only need enough.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I know it's getting dusty.
Can you what?
Can I clean it up while you go?
You want to clean it up? Let me fix it first.
Okay.
It won't make
Then
sure
I'm
it's
gonna
worth,
step out your
it
way.
won't make sure it's worth cleaning.
Yeah. Or baby, you want to do it while he's here?
No, you do it.
I'll let you know when I'm ready for you. Get
Yeah,
your vacuum
okay.
cleaner ready.
Where you
Yeah.
want to blacking that dust out?
It's not that bad in there.
No.
No.
No, behind there.
Oh, on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll move it out there.
Let me get it done and then
Okay.
I'm gonna step.
And see, you know how to let the lid up?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
See that dust around the rim there?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, let us do this first.
Well,
And then you can have that.
See that dryer that Teresa daughter got?
Mm.
I did that one. But I set it out in the carport.
That's too big. That's gotta be. This one.
But I messed around and gave Ronnie my hand truck. If I had my hand truck here, I would have done this one that way. But the problem is finding the parts.
Right, and the parts is dependent upon the number. Otherwise,
Yeah,
you be
that's
shooting
right.
in the dark all day.
I could fix it myself if I found the part. But I said, no, I'll be driving all over town trying to find parts. And it'll be a 2 or 3 day chore. That's why I say I'll call you.
And see, I can just listen to you over the phone and know what to bring. That's, you know, that's years of experience.
Yeah.
That's it right there. That's it. Go back there. Let's see if we can carefully. Let's see. Let's try this first. That's not. Yes, sir. My name. Yep. Douglas Monroe. in. Go this way. Unload it and flip it. Gotta let it go. We done.
Got it, huh?
Yep, we going there. The belt's $22, so that'll be $262 flat.
How much?
$262 flat.
252?
$262 flat.
262.
Yep.
Okay, did you give me a retired military discount?
That is your time.
Did you give me a senior citizen discount?
I can go and give you the one. They cost more because it's up there. The labor's up there at $315, $320. So I'm $100 cheaper than everybody.
Hey, Gwen, he said 262. That's what the military discount.
That's with everything. AARP or X, BW, whatever one you got there.
He says the senior citizen discount. He got to jack the price up.
Yeah, my prices is extremely below because I want y'all to pick me.
Look, this thing's cost too much to replace. So. And you came out here and got, oh, that thing. How do you?
Wear and tear. You know, that's a belt. How long have you had to drive?
At least since 2000. Did we buy this drive when we came out, or we brought it out? We brought it. Oh Lord, we've had it here way before.
So 7 years is bingo.
Yeah.
That's how long that belt's supposed to last. 7 years.
Yeah, we've been out here since 2015.
Okay. Where you from?
We came from Gwinnett County. However, we're originally, way back when we were younger, we came from a place called Warrenton, Georgia.
I've heard of.
Mm-hmm. Both of us, my wife and I both are from Georgia.
We are done with this.
Huh?
So we are done here.
Got it? I'll clean that up.
Line it up.
It's gonna get in place?
Yeah, it lines itself up. See it moving?
Yeah, yes.
It's got pulley and then it lines itself up. Just the tough part. Little clip on it.
Oh yeah,
It wanna fall.
I had that problem before.
The clip wanna fall down. You gotta go down there and get it.
Yeah.
Not today.
See, you had one of those, and I had to do it by hand.
Yeah, you remember those days? I used to work on, remember the dial string on your car radio?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was me. Dial radio, the boom box, the reel-to-reel, the cassette deck, the 8-track.
You might have told to be working on car stereo.
Well, you know what? Basketball ain't for everybody. I never was much into basketball. I played, but I wasn't. I guess you can say the parents didn't invest.
Usually what I'm looking at is I spent 22 years in the Army, and most of our repair guys that had to get underneath something to do that, they were little short guys.
Yeah. Cause like I said, I started in electronics and went into computers.
Okay.
Worked at IBM, Magnavox, RCAG. And And what happened is that the money left. So I had to drop all that. I was doing overhead projectors, big screen TV, but the money left.
Yeah.
And Walmart just finished me. So I came to appliances, because appliances is easier than what I was doing. Here I am. Now I'm ready to go buy my granddaughter a car because she graduated. First thing she said, "Granddad, you know what I want?" She's waiting on me now. 18 years old. My son passed away, so he's not here to see the day. You know what I mean?
But Papa's here.
Yeah, Grandpa.
Oh, you call your grandpa?
Yep.
All mine call me Papa.
She turned 18. My son died 5 years ago. Had a heart attack.
Young man.
Young man.
Let me ask you a smart question. This thing, for the last 2 or 3 months, it'll get to the place where it won't turn. And what I've done is I come in here and I manually...
Push it off?
I manually... Yeah, switch it off.
I mean, push it and
I
get it
manually
going.
spin it. Manually spin it, and then I turn it back on, and it works.
The motor got bad spots in the winder due to the age. Now, motors cost $400. That don't work no more. You know,
No.
you have to push it off.
No.
The knob.
What I'm saying is, it'll just go on and it won't turn. And so I'll just switch everything off and I'll take my hand and turn it around about 3 or 4 times, turn it back on, and then it spins.
I hear what you're saying.
Slip it.
That could have been it too, because it's a switch on the motor. You saw me laying down there loading the belt.
Yeah.
I'm loading the
Yeah.
switch.
Yeah.
And that could have not been hitting the switch, and you might have just got it to hit the switch
Okay,
every
maybe
now
that
and
was
then.
it then. All right. Oh, you got the check, babe?
Let me clean up. I'll be right with you. I'm done, ma'am. I'm done for the ink get dry.
I'll do it.
Take your time, man. I'm cleaning up.
Oh, he's doing that, he said.
I'm cleaning up, putting stuff up so y'all don't call me and tell me I left something.
There you go, Bill.
Okay.
I appreciate you coming out.
I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna need y'all guys to, because I gotta send this to them.
Oh, you need me to sign something?
Yeah. First, you're gonna sign here for the $69.99 you told them they can take. Then you're gonna sign here to show that I told you what was wrong.
Okay.
And then you're gonna sign here to show that I finished what was wrong.
Okay.
Just
Nah.
3 different signatures in
And
the
I don't have to tell him what you show, I do.
No, ain't none of their business.
Yeah, he told me that.
They get their $69 and they're gone.
But you know, he misled me. He said the $69 would be applied to the repair.
Well, actually, I did. I just didn't. I told you my labor, but
Okay.
you know that's $69.
Let me put this right here.
Well, I just said it differently.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming out.
You're welcome. You call me anytime.
I will. I got your card. I know.
And I'll be right here. Just show up on time, too. That's the main thing. Showing up on time. Okay, got that. And 60 games out.